This is our place right now. Oh gosh. Hindi man makaalis yun, oh. Makaatras. Mga bike nila. Oh, mga tanim ko. Wow. Kasama ang beach sa ating pagkain sa bad weather outside. Pagkain pala ni Daddy. Oh. Hindi naman makita. Oh. Okay. Yung sushi bake at saka sisig at egg roll.
What is the absolute worst thing that could happen if this goes wrong? And this is the
May 29, Friday, 85 degrees outside, Fahrenheit. Look what we have. It's jasmine flower. There's jasmine. Beautiful. Jasmine. Look at my snake plant. And I also have some other plant in here. I don't know what this are. With other snake plant.
If a chair took 10 years to piece by piece, it's literally.
If weights keep coming back no matter how much you pull, it's probably because you're pulling.
The average person
We have seedling. Let's plant the seedlings. Then I'll show you all the vegetable that keeps coming back here every year in my pot in our balcony. And this called Philippine spinach. These are edible actually. So I have several pots that are full of spinach. We came back from our 1 week stay or vacation or visit in Winnipeg, Canada, in Manitoba. And now we have a lot of this. Look at that. And then this one has some, and I have this. I think this is jalapeno and this is serrano. It's one of our workmate plant this. He's fond of planting seedlings, and he is one of our physician assistant at work. And again, I have another, and there's still babies, still growing. There's another one. There's a bunch of spinach and one more. And there's more. I need to water them. And there's this huge one. And there. I need to water those. And look at this. They're growing. I actually plant this one inside the house with anong pangalan na nito? May plant inside, but my husband put it outside so early, so that other plant with it died, but this one stayed. And now it's really big. And that is butternut squash. I have this other big pot that I prepared yesterday. I'm gonna plant this spicy Filipino labuyo pepper. Those tiny ones, but they're so spicy, folks. Yeah, I'm right. Those are jalapenos. And these are serrano. Right. Alright, let's plant those spicy Philippine labuyo. Ayan, mag-asawa sila, dalawa. I'll plant the other two in a different pot. Katanim na ako. Yan. Tanim natin. I'm moving all my seedlings outside, and I just took it out from this with a snake plant because it grew from here. Isn't that beautiful seedlings? Wow. Alright, so this is a good spinach. So kunin na natin yung mga spinach na to para ma-enjoy na natin kainin. Okay, they are good. Well, it still really look good. There you go. Yummy, yummy. Para ma-enjoy na. Habang maganda pa siya. Diba? Oh. First harvest of the beautiful Filipino. Oh! Oh, hindi pala yan. Oh no. Kaya pala hindi ko maano eh. Ala. Sili pala yun. Oopsie. Sili pala yan. Sorry po. Tinanim ko palang sili yan kahapon. Sarap. Oh. Rami pa. Yan. Nalinisan. Kasi naman masarap to. Rich in iron. Huwag na lang kunin lahat para may batch. Second batch naman tayo. Alright. Okay. Nakuha ko pa yung isang sili eh. Sili din yan. Oh. Okay. Kunin ko na itong napakalaking ito. Nakalaki no. Alright. Look at that. Oh, ang ganda. Dito lang sa ating patio. Ang ganda na ng buhay ng ating kalabasa. Ito lang nakakatuwa na. Oh, di ba? Oh. Ang ganda. May tumatubo pa siya. Oh. Di ba? Oh. Ayan. Ito na. Alright, we're going to cook. I boiled this yesterday. This is beans from Walmart. I forgot the name. And I just sauteed it with ginger and onion put bagoong on it. And I'm going to get some more of my vegetable in the patio. So this is how it looks like. There you go. Oh, ayan na yung ating Philippine spinach. Alright. Sugasan na natin. Galing lang yan sa patio. Sa balcony. Ito ang itsura ng gulay na to para makita nyo. Ito, oh, madami to. Mukha lang kukunti kapag hinuhugasan, pero marami siya. Diba? Ang ating gulay pahaba ng buhay. Lagay na natin. Ready na. Ready nang kumain. Oh, ang ating beans. Oh, ito yung beans natin. Oh. Yan lang ating simpleng ulam galing sa ating garden this summer. Kain na po. weather sa labas malamig. Nagtudog si Sinaruno. So mamaya tagala din natong manon. Yahoo! Gala tayo man tinatang tayo na po. O, parang kinainan ng rabbit lahat to. O, parang narabitan. O, parang kinain ng rabbit. O, kasi kakainin na lahat. Kaya dadahunan ko na din habang fresh pa. Fresh na fresh ang aking gulay. Oh, look at my gulay, ate. Yay! 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 I'm gonna harvest. Harvest!
Kahit nga tanga po lang katulad.
Kaya itong gulungan.
Baka lalaro dito sa akin.
Ayan, nalisan natin ng dahon ang ating kalabasa kasi ang dami. Sobrang dami. Sobrang daming dahon. Oh. Ulam natin ngayon. Eto. Sana may saluyot. Meron naman saluyot. Pero frozen nga lang. Ito po yung ating gulay. Basan natin. Nilagay ko na yung ating flour. Oh. Ayan. Lagyan natin ng JB Tirong bagong. Lagay ko na din ang kilitis. Kilitis at sarap. Kain po. Oh. Yeah, I think so too. Okay. Ow! Sakit yung likod. Feeling it. Wow. Ang kalat, ha? Hmm. Hmm. Aray! More flowers. Look what's happening inside. Yung kamote, tumutubo, and more of the seedlings. Tumutubo ulit yung mga nagpitasan. Yung ating sili, each and every day, lumalaki. Gusto ko nang kainin yung sili. Yung ating sili sa Philippines. Nakalimutan ko na ang pangalan. Di ba? Kunin na natin. Ay, nako. For the day.
Okay, so you're doing. So you're really
It's inside the house. That's the sili that I want to eat. Labuyo. Look at more of this. Oh, may bunga na. My gosh. May bunga na. Oh, bunga na. Pero ito kukunin ko. Lalaki naman yan. Itong isa hindi. Yan, may bunga na. Ito hindi pa. Okay, John 19, 68 degrees. Lumalaki ang mga gulay natin. Ay, nako. Ang ating labuyo sana lumaki until next week. Labuyo. Ay, tumutubo pang kulitis. That one is growing. And this one today. Look at that. I'm gonna get that. Bakit kaya naalis? Maraming tumutubo pa, oh. Grabe.
Lalaki dato awan. Aton nalam.
Awan. Lalaki kano ata. So I'm going to move this. I just take it out from this pot inside the house. Hapon na. I'm gonna add it with that. A long time ago, I just got it also from that pot. I'm gonna add it here. This one already grown. Now they're added. Ay, nako. Nakakatuwa ang mga to. Ang daming mga flower at the bottom of it. Gosh. Daming flower. Ang daming nagtutubuan dito. Tapos ayun yung ating kalabasa. Yung kaisa-isang kalabasa. Now I get to cook the flowers or the blossoms from my garden, and those are the butternut squash. And now I'm cooking the mushrooms first. There's the mushrooms. We're steaming it. And I just washed the string beans. I soak it with baking soda. And all my veggies, I soak it with baking soda. We also have birch flower or alukon. We add lima beans. We have okra. We have eggplant. We have a spicy pepper. We have ampalaya or bitter melon. Those are Indian bitter melon. So those are bitter, really bitter ones. And I like those kind. Yan yung ating mga gulay. Natin, diba? Kasama pala nito. So ito malalagay natin bagoong kasi Ilocano tayo, no? From the Philippines. OJB, diba? The best. Yan yung ating ampalaya. Gandang ampalaya. Nilagay ko na yung sili. Nilagay natin yung talong. Oh, ayan. Talong. Alright. Okay. Lutuin natin ng kaunti. Talong na.
Power.
Diba yung aking flour? Butternut squash flour. They are actually very good and I love them. Then let's put this string beans. There you go. Now I'm putting on the lukon. Then yung tangkay ng flour ng squash. Now the lima beans. Sunod na mga to. At okra. And the perch fish. And now the ampalaya or bitter melon is here. Now I have this. Now I'm putting this perch. Ayun, sarap ng ulam natin. May okra na din. Ah, it's cold, right? Look at my kamote. They're growing inside the house. I think it's time to move it outside. Sige na. Bilisan mong lumaki. Ilang araw na lang. Pupunta na kami ng Anchorage. Kakainin na namin kayo. Ha? Ito naman, flower ng flower. Hindi naman namumunga. Mamunga naman kayo. Ay, nako. Dapat pagbalik namin na Anchorage, may mga bunga na kayo, ha? Ha? Mamunga naman. Ito, ang ganda na. Tapos ito, nag-flower ulit. This is awesome. I'm gonna get you again. Oh. This is nice. Oh, diba? There's another one there, but I'm gonna get it tomorrow. And so look at the bunga. Let's get closer. Look at that. Now I'm transferring this outside. So I'm gonna transfer this outside. Sa labas na kayo, ha? Hopefully hindi kayo masisira. Ay mamamatay. Mabuhay kayo, ha? Okay. Ganda. Look how beautiful this is, oh. Saan ko kaya tatanim to? Ayan, na-transfer ko na siya dyan. Lawit siya dyan sa gilid. Ay.
For an oasis tucked inside a giant sea.
Dyan everyday, lumalaki ng aming mga sili. Tapos, itong mga flower namin. Kakainin namin yan. Araw-araw, nagpa-flower. Laki din ito.
First, before getting
Getting bigger and bigger. Oh, they're getting more and more. Oh, there's more. Look, I have 2 of them now. Wow, there are 2 of them. 2, did you see that? 2. My flowers today. Hmm.
Yung panagawid agad, sikat yung mga yawid.
Madami na ang aming sili. Silio. Oh, sana hindi mamatay mga to na iwanan namin. Oh, huwag kayong mamatay ah. Aalis kami. Huwag kayong mamatay. Oh, tingnan mo to. Oh. Wow, ang ganda. Kukunin ko to. Another one. I can't believe our jalapeno has bunga already. Yay! And there's so much flowers in them. And what's this one? The other one? I forgot. Wala pang flower. Pero ito, mga maliliit. Yung manghang. Maraming bunga. Kunan ko na ng dahon to. Ito wala pa ding bunga. Then there's another flower. Ay, kunan ko na. Huwag kayong mamatay ha. Pagbalik namin from Alaska, dapat blooming pa rin. Okay? Ito. Blooming ka pa din ha. Huwag mamatay. Kinuhanan ko na naman ng mga dahon. Yan ang nakuha ko. Luto natin with munggo. Ito yung ating kalkaluna. Ilagay natin sa balatong. Grabe, isang kalderong balatong. Ilagay na natin. Kalkalunay kayo dyan. Kalunay ulit. Pailalim natin. Masarap na klase kasi yung pula. Oh, diba? It's tasty. That's the better kind of spinach. Gabi na, nagluluto pa ako. Yan yung mga naipon ko na flower ng kalabasa. Ilalagay ko na din kasama ng spinach at saka ng munggo. Lagay ko na din sa munggo. Itong munggo natin. There you go. Kasama ng munggo. Spinach at saka munggo. Spinach and munggo. Kain na tayo. Ayan na, naluto na yung ating balatong with spinach and burak. Oh, yun yung burak. Flower ng kalabasa. Yummy. Oh. Today is the day to go to Alaska. We're using all this globe that Kuya bought 2 years ago for our plants. June 27, 8:02 a.m. I think I'm gonna try to get one of this. Maybe this. To eat it with my vegetable. Mangha nga naman. Kuha pa ako, kulang eh. Kuha pa ng isa. Siguro kuhanin ko pa yung isa dito. Medyo green na siya. Malaglag ata. Ito. Alright, I'm using the globe, the water globe. Ay, nako. Hopefully, they will be more water. Ito, sayang naman. Kunin na lang kaya kita. Kasi, baka mamatay ka pa. Kunin ko na lang ito. Oh, meron na akong dalawa. Tatlo. Kunin ko na. Namumukadkad na eh. Sayang din. Kasi baka lalaki din lang. So kunin ko na. Kasi ang dami-dami nila dyan oh. Puro flowers yan. Oh. Flowers lahat. Oh. Ang dami. Alright folks. Thanks for watching. Glenda Life Journey USA. Don't forget to subscribe. Like, comment. See you later.